sitting right there. Daniel. Watch your shit, dog. Oh, yes, I can tell. Hitting that wire. Hey, the other ones are moving up. Auto. Shit. You're trying to move around them. Bitch. He's just gonna run. You can't hit him while he's running. I'm telling you, it's almost impossible. Man, I wish I had that freaking AK. It's a beast. Alright, well, hey, Colton, you guys want to hold him off here? I'll go flank him around. Alright, if you need help, just yell or something. Jesus Christ, dog. Here, I'm gonna go move around. You guys hold him up. If you guys can't hold him back, just go, alright? Time to go flank some bastards. Ugh. Man, it sucks. It's gonna take a while to get over there. Let's get up in that magic spot. Shit, 16. On the opposite side of the field, moving up to the backside. We'll flank the shit out of them. Oh, finally. I killed you. 1 kill. Fuck. Alright, gotta get to that log. Oh shit. I got Tris. You actually got on the move down here? They're down in there, I hear them. Where? On the road? I snuck up and got Tris, so.
Annihilated Luke. Face shots everywhere. He fucking does not call one of them, bro.
Oh my god, I got Tris.
I fucking annihilated that kid.
Oh, let's go get the rest of them. They're trapped down in there. You want to go roadside and I'll go down below?
Yeah, I know I have at least 2 hits on all of them. Because I was spraying that and I heard him going, ow, ow, shit.
I got Tris. He was like reloading, so I sprayed him down at the fence. I was like,
he
wait
was,
a second.
he was already out.
Oh, was he?
I already got him
That's
out.
gay.
Whenever I was down on the tree line, or whenever I was down on by that tree, he was popping his head out, showing like 4
We need to
times.
get the rest of these bastards. So, you want? I can take the road if you want to. You can move up below since your CQB is short.
Yeah. Alright, I gotta reload.
Alright, I'll just wait till you reload then. Unless you have a loader thingy. Alright, fill up road. Yeah, I got a few more to go.
Son of a bitch, bro.
And we freaking. Oh, wow, they're down there.
Yeah, I know, dude. I told you I got him on the run because I was moving up on him. I got all the way
They
down to
always
the
run.
leaf
As long as you shoot and run towards them, they run. What? Is that Shannon? What the fuck? Oh, no, it's Dylan.
Shannon ran. They're moving back up.
What are they doing? Are they gonna quit?
They're moving back up.
No, they're taking caution. They're looking around. What up, bitches? I don't know if they're gonna quit. What are they doing? Bunch of quitters.
Let's go.
You gotta get going. I remember that's there. Let's get going. Oh, they're coming up the hill. Fuck. Let's just spam them with the guns. They're still playing. Alright, they're gonna move down on the corner. No, they're sitting out there on the road. He's not gonna be able to hit us. Alright, I'm going up here. Take a clear shot. Florific. Shit. Log equals cover. Control. Move down and around. They're moving down there. Fuck yeah, hill advantage. And there they run. Dun, 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 dun. Don't really see me. I'm a freaking ninja. Better fucking around while I can. Alright. Where are these little bastards going? Alright, I could. Pop down my M16. Can't carry this bastard everywhere. It's gonna give away my position. He sees me. Fuck. Well, I used to stand here. I'm gonna move back a bit. Set this M16 down. spot. Oh shit. Oh. Merry Christmas as well. Good night. What the fuck? For real. Hey Colton, they're moving up the hill. They're moving up the hill.